What's up, everybody? Dave here. This is Redneck Bike Club. We had a little bit of a misfire on the audio, had some issues with how I record my audio at the beginning of the day, and I've got a little bit of audio from the rest of the day, but we're still going to kind of run through the day and show you what happened, show you the ride. We started the day off with the idea of going to Fort Smith to get something to eat along Highway 22 out of the small town of Dardanelle. I'll be showing a map right in here, and we got to Coxville, Arkansas, where there's a small diner by the name of Shane's. We've eaten there before. We really liked the place. And we decided that we would stop there and have a late breakfast. It was about 10:30 or 11 or so. So we didn't even really make it to Fort Smith. We kind of turned around at Coxville and came on back. But it was a warm day in February. It was about 60 degrees, and you really don't get... It was about 60 degrees, and you really don't get that very often, so we decided that we definitely needed to take advantage of that, and so we did. I hope you guys enjoy this. I appreciate you guys watching. Like and subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you next time.
1 hour later.
Shit, where we're gonna go. We decide where we're gonna go and then get off talking about other shit and this and that, and then go back to arguing about where we're gonna go, even after we've decided where the hell we're going.
2 hours later.
There's no destination. There's no destination. And it's a journey.
The route's not set till you get there.
Well, you don't ever, the thing is, with riding a bike, you never get there.
Yeah.
Because your journey's what you enjoy the most.
1 hour later.
I tell you an idea for the ending. Is either his helmet or your helmet, one, set on the ground, angle it up, and everybody just kind of ride off just a little piece, and then stop and come back, and you can use that and just kind of, as everybody's riding away, you can just slowly fade it out. So that's just an idea.
We can't be remiss to look at their Eiffel Tower. This is Eiffel Tower Park. They built this in 2014 for obvious reasons. Nice little water feature. And then if that's not enough, over here we've got Lovelock fence. Sort of like the one in Paris on the bridge, where people write their names on padlocks. Oh my goodness, that is a padlock, and you hang it up here on the fence.
You know, overseas they got that big old bridge goes across the river and got all the locks on it.
Yeah, did you see the big black one?
Yeah.
So you're supposed to come put your lock on?
Well, it's called
Lovelock fence in Paris. In the real Paris, they have a bridge where everybody hangs locks.
They lock it and then they throw the key in the river.
There's another big one right here. There's a geocache.
What?
Had a little spot where you would go and do a lot. Wanna shove it to the bottom, but the trouble gonna bubble to the top. Then the bubble gonna pop, and the hustle never ever gonna stop. Cause you get up in the morning, get ahead to get to bed, and then you do it all again until the moment that you drop. You need a plot, what you wanna witness with this life you got. You kicked and fought, trying to get up in your skin and pick this lock. That ticking clock, listen to the bitch, you got these situations with you issues. Someone fit too quick should sit you down to talk. Ever wonder who's the crazy one? People walking to work as if nothing is off. But if a person really got it, they would be cracking a bottle. It's a buddies heading looting from shops. Other times you're alone, knowing nobody's home, but you walk around muttering under your breath, second guess it. Should say, God damn it, God damn it, God damn it, just whispering soft. Do you ever get lost deep in your thoughts? Triple when you think about the cost of seeing this through? When you tie your stomach in a knot that you don't know how to undo? But do you ever have another moment after that where you can see there's no one way this has to be? Or maybe that's just me.